Imagine a mother new to this country, standing alone in a school event. She speaks a language that the school doesn't. Now, add another layer to that. She has a child with special needs. The complexity of the special education process and the language barriers are actually making that wall insurmountable for that parent. At that moment, my work begins. I am a family resource center liaison and a bridge builder. I'm not just handing out pamphlets. I am looking for that moment of connection. For some cultures, the concept of special needs is interpreted indifferently, or it carries a stigma in their culture. The difference between a family lost or feeling supported could be a single phone call, a phone call in their home language to let them know that they are seen and heard and they are our partners. Recently, I worked with a family and the father felt that the school was dismissing his questions during the IEP meeting. But after a brief conversation with him in his home language, he was able to understand that the school was only using a terminology that he doesn't understand. And later, he felt comfortable to communicate with the school more effectively and also to advocate for his child. The real reward is that phone call that comes later from one of those parents saying that I have helped them to have a voice in their child's education, or that they now feel welcomed and understood by the school team. Yes, I am a family resource center liaison, but more than that, I'm a listener, translator, and a proud builder of bridges.